Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about the recently passed Delhi Teachers University Bill 2022, which was passed by the Delhi Assembly on 4th January 2022. The purpose of this particular bill is to set up a teachers training university in Delhi. So now they are making a full course about teaching, how to teach. And for this, a university will offer a 4-year integrated teacher education program just after class 12th. So from 12th onwards, you can start preparing, you can start making your goal into teaching. And for that, a university will be there, which will offer a 4-year integrated program just after your class 12th. In this program, courses like BA and B.Ed, BCom and B.Ed, BSc and B.Ed will be taught. It will be a public university and will be dedicated to prepare excellent quality teachers for Delhi across different school stages. So in this university, the students who will be studying will be attached with the Delhi government schools for their entire duration of 4 years for hands-on experience. So why this hands-on experience is required? Because this will help the students in gaining excellent practical knowledge along with the theoretical knowledge. Because right now, when a person starts teaching, they just have the theoretical knowledge about the subject which they will be teaching, but they don't have any experience in regard to the practical knowledge, in regard to the practical experience, because there is no internship involved in it. But with this course, with this practical experience that will be provided to them, they will have full knowledge, the practical aspect of teaching as well as the theoretical aspect of teaching. Significance of this particular university will be that it will act as a center for excellence, which will prepare teachers for pre-service and in-service in the areas of education, policy, and research. So the education studies, policy, and leadership, all these three aspects will be involved in this. It will help in bridging the gap between the practice, policy, and research in teacher preparation. It will also engage constantly with dynamic concepts and realities of quality education in Delhi. So if you want to get admission into such university just after your 12th, the academic session, the admissions to this university will start from the academic session 2022 to 23, in which 5,000 students will be enrolled, and this particular university will be coming up at Bakarwala in East Delhi. So this was all about this particular bill. If more insights will be there in it, which will come once this bill becomes an act and everything comes into existence. I hope this video was helpful to all of you. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. In case you have any query in regard to legal matters or law related exams, you can reach out to me on my Instagram ID. The link for the same is provided in the description below. Thank you very much.